we are going to do a chapter, differential equation and applications. Now, what is the meaning of differential equation? A equation which is containing an independent variable, dependent variable, and differential coefficients of dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called as a differential equation. So, independent variable, dependent variable. I hope you know that dy by dx is supposed to be differentiating y with respect to x, where y is a dependent variable and x is an independent variable. So you will have the variable x, you will have the variable y, and you will have differential coefficients, means you will have dy by dx, d square y by dx square, etc. That is differentiable coefficient of dependent variable with respect to independent variable, meaning dy by dx, d square y by dx square. That sort of an equation is called as a differential equation. So d square y by dx square equal to 4x, 1 plus dy by dx the whole square to the power 3 by 2 equal to k d square y by dx square, y equal to x dy by dx plus under root 1 plus dy by dx the whole square. So what do you observe? You observe that there are y, there are x, there are dy by dx, there are d square y by dx square. A combination of all this is called as a differential equation. Now you have to write the order and the degree of the differential equation. Order is nothing but the order of derivative. So dy by dx is called as a first order derivative. D square y upon dx square is called as a second order derivative. D cube y upon dx cube, that is called as a third order derivative. So what is the highest order of derivative? I think d square x upon dt square, therefore the order will be 2. Degree means the power of the highest order of derivative. What is the power of the highest order derivative? 1. Okay. Now, second one. Order. Order means the order of the highest order of derivative. So what is the highest order of derivative? D square y by dx square is the second order. dy by dx is the first order. तो बड़ा कौन सा है? dy by dx है कि d square y by dx square. d square y upon dx square because the order of d square y by dx square is 2. So this will be 2. Degree is the power of the highest order of derivative. Highest order derivative कौन सा है? dy by dx है कि d square y by dx square है? I think it is d square y by dx square. Degree will be 2. Order. What is the highest order of derivative? I think d raised to 4y upon dx raised to 4. Order is 4. Degree is the power of the highest order of derivative. It's 1. Exercise 8.2, sum number 1. Obtain differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constant from the following equations. So the first sum is y equal to a e raised to 3x plus b e raised to minus 3x. Now before you start differentiating, you have to analyze how many times you have to differentiate. So first you see how many constants are there. One constant is a, second constant is b. So you have to differentiate 2 times. So I will say differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to d by dx of a e raised to 3x plus d by dx of b e raised to 3x. See, eliminating arbitrary constant means once you have finished doing the differentiation, you should not have the arbitrary constants, which in this case is a and b. a and b नहीं चाहिए, आपने को a and b निकाल देने का. So I will say that dy by dx equal to a d by dx of e raised to 3x plus b d by dx of e raised to minus 3x. So you have dy by dx equal to a, derivative of a raised to 3x is a raised to 3x, derivative of 3x is 3, plus b, e raised to minus 3x is e raised to minus 3x, derivative of minus 3x is minus 3. So I get this as dy by dx equal to 3a e raised to 3x minus 3b e raised to minus 3x. फिर से लिखो differentiate with respect to x. Why you have to differentiate with respect to x? Because there are two constants. दो constants रहेगा. You have to differentiate two times. You get d by dx of 3a e raised to 3x minus d by dx of 3b e raised to minus 3x. So we get this as d square y by dx square equal to 3 d by dx of a e raised to 3x minus 3 d by dx of b e raised to minus 3x. So this becomes d square y upon dx square equal to 3 a bahar because it is a constant e raised to 3x b bahar d by dx e raised to minus 3x. You could have taken both 3a and 3b simultaneously. I have done 3 first and then I have done a and b out. If you want, you can directly pick up 3a out and here you can pick up 3b out. So you can save one step. So we get d square y upon dx square equal to 3a. e raised to 3x का derivative रहेगा e raised to 3x. Derivative of 3x is 3. minus 3b e raised to minus 3x का डेरिवेटिव रहेगा e raised to minus 3x. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ minus 3x is minus 3. d square y by dx square equal to 9a e raised to 3x plus 9b e raised to minus 3x. So dy by dx, d square y by dx square equal to 9 common. Inside the bracket you get a e raised to 3x plus b e raised to minus 3x. So we get d square y upon dx square equal to 9, and what we can do is this, we can give it as 1. So a e raised to 3x plus b e raised to minus 3x. I think you can substitute it by. So I hope we get this as d square y upon dx square minus 9y equal to 0. So after having differentiated two times, I think a and b has automatically got eliminated. So this is the differential equation. What is differential equation? Differential equation is basically an equation where we have got an equation which is having y, x, dy by dx, d square y by dx square, x square y, etc. But it should not have arbitrary constants, meaning a, b, c, etc. The second sum is y equal to c2 plus c1 upon x. So this is one arbitrary constant, this is second arbitrary constant. So there are two constants. So if you have to eliminate the arbitrary constants, differentiate two times. So I'll name this as 1. I'll write here differentiate with respect to x. So we get dy by dx equal to d by dx of c2 plus d by dx of c1 upon x. So we get dy by dx equal to d by dx of c2, c1 को बाहर निकालना, you get d by dx of 1 upon x. So this is again dy by dx. C2 is a constant, 0, C1, derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. dy by dx equal to 0 is gone, you get minus c. See, we have to differentiate it again. So what is the meaning of differential equation? Differential equation is an equation which will have x, which will have y, which will have dy by dx, which will have d square by dx square, but it should not have arbitrary constants. So अपने को इसमें से arbitrary constant निकालने का, तो अगर मैं x square को इधर ले लेगा, suppose मैंने x square को cross multiply कर देगा, तो इधर तो x square और dy by dx आएगा और right hand side में minus c1 आएगा, and then if I differentiate, I think the derivative of c1 will be 0, तो automatically मेरा arbitrary constant चला जाएगा. So what we can do is we can write this as x square dy by dx equal to minus c1. This is what I was trying to tell you. Now if you differentiate, इसका तो कुछ तो डेरिवेटिव आएगा, चलो, लेकिन इसका डेरिवेटिव सीधा जीरो हो जाएगा, तो फाइनली तुम्हारा आंसर में ना c1 रहेगा ना c2 रहेगा, तो आई विल से दैट x स्क्वायर dy by dx of dy by dx plus dy by dx d by dx of x square equal to minus d by dx of c1. So x square derivative of dy by dx is d square y upon dx square plus dy by dx, x square का डेरिवेटिव 2x आएगा, माइनस रहेगा c1 का डेरिवेटिव 0 आएगा, आंसर इज 0. दैट मीन्स अपना आंसर रहेगा x square d square y by dx square plus 2x dy by dx equal to 0. So in no way we are having arbitrary constants in it. Therefore, the arbitrary constants are eliminated. We have to eliminate the arbitrary constants. So arbitrary constants are c1 and c2. Now suppose समझो कि सम ऐसा है, तो कैसा सॉल्व होएगा? तो dy by dx डेरिवेटिव ऑफ c1 क्या रहेगा? डेरिवेटिव ऑफ c1 क्या रहेगा? 0. अगर ऐसा सम रहेगा ना, तो dy by dx will be derivative of c1 will be 0 and c2x का डेरिवेटिव c2 आएगा, तो you get dy by dx equal to c2, फिर से उसका डेरिवेटिव मारेगा d square y by dx square equal to 0, यानी कि तुम्हारा डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन आ गया. अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि इधर है ना e raised to minus x है, e raised to x है, सॉरी, इधर क्या है e raised to x, तो अगर ये e raised to x को यहाँ से हटा देगा, इसके नीचे लेके आ जाएगा, सो क्या आएगा, इधर सिर्फ c1 plus c2x बचेगा, दो टाइम डेरिवेटिव मारेगा तो c1 और c2 चला जाएगा. Is that okay? I'll write this as y upon e raised to x equal to c1 plus c2x. So this I will write it as y into e raised to minus x equal to c1 plus c2x. Now I am having two constants, so I will write differentiate with respect to x. So we will have d by dx of y e raised to minus x equal to d by dx of c1 plus c2x. So this is y d by dx of e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x d by dx of y, and that is equal to d by dx of c1 plus d by dx of c2x. y, derivative of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x d by dx of minus x plus e raised to minus x, derivative of y will be dy by dx, c1 will be 0 and c2x का डेरिवेटिव c2 आएगा because derivative of x will be equal to 1. So ये बनेगा y e raised to minus x, derivative of minus x is minus 1 plus e raised to minus x dy by dx, 0 plus c2, the answer will be c2. तो ये आएगा minus y e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x dy by dx equal to c2. Now again we can write differentiate with respect to x, because in the question there are two constants c1 and c2. So this will be d by dx of minus y e raised to minus x plus d by dx of e raised to x dy by dx equal to d by dx of c2. Now what we can do is we can take minus out, d by dx of y e raised to minus x plus, if you want you can put it in a bracket like this, d by dx of e raised to minus x dy by dx and derivative of c2 is 0. यानी कि अभी इसका डेरिवेटिव खोल देगा तो मेरे को लगता है डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन आ जाएगा. So let minus remain as it is. A u into v है y d by dx of e raised to minus x, e raised to minus x, d by dx of y plus इधर भी u into v आएगा, e raised to minus x, d by dx of dy by dx, dy by dx, d by dx of e raised to minus x equal to 0. So this will be minus y. Derivative of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x, derivative of minus x is minus 1, plus e raised to minus x, derivative of y is dy by dx, plus e raised to minus x, derivative of dy by dx is d square y upon dx square, plus dy by dx, and derivative of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x, derivative of minus x is minus 1, and that is equal to 0. So we have to give the final touch up. Open up this, we get minus y plus y e raised to minus x minus e raised to minus x dy by dx plus e raised to minus x d square y upon dx square minus e raised to minus x dy by dx equal to 0. Okay. So actually sum हो गया है. At the most, if you want to give the final touch up, what you can do is you divide both the sides by e raised to minus x. So throughout e raised to minus x कट हो जाएगा. इधर आएगा y because e raised to minus x कट हो जाएगा minus ये e raised to minus x कैंसिल हो गया तो we get dy by dx. यहां से अगर e raised to minus x कट जाएगा तो I think we should get d square y upon dx square minus e raised to minus x जाएगा तो you'll have dy by dx and 0 upon anything is equal to 0. So I'll say that this is d square y upon dx square minus 2 dy by dx because minus dy by dx is minus 2 dy by dx plus y equal to 0. So इसमें अगर if you check there is no c1, there is no c2, all the arbitrary constants have got eliminated. There are two arbitrary constants, one is c1, another is c2. तो इसको अगर solve करने करेगा ना तो arbitrary constant के बाजू में जो e raised to x है ना उसको निकालने का चालू करो. So what is the lowest power of e? I think the lowest power of e is 2x. So what I will do is I'll divide both sides by 2 e raised to 2x. So I'll have y upon e raised to 2x, c1 e raised to 3x upon e raised to 2x plus c2 e raised to 2x अपॉन e raised to 2x. इससे एडवांटेज क्या होगा, ये e raised to 2x कट हो जाएगा तो क्या बचेगा c2. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ c2 क्या आएगा 0 यानी कि c2 चला गया. आई होप इट इज क्लियर फॉर यू. सो लेकिन इसको वी हैव टू राइट इट एज y into e raised to 1 upon e raised to 2x, write it as e raised to minus 2x. This is c1. e raised to 3x upon e raised to 2x is e raised to x plus c2. There is a formula in indices which is a raised to m upon a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. Now what you can do is you can differentiate with respect to x. So you get d by dx y e raised to minus 2x equal to d by dx c1 e raised to x plus d by dx c2. ये सीधा 0 हो जाएगा यानी कि एक आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट चला गया. So these are two terms you have to do by u into v. u into v का मतलब है y d by dx of e raised to minus 2x plus e raised to minus 2x d by dx of y, that is this, equal to c1 बाहर d by dx of e raised to x प्लस डेरिवेटिव ऑफ C2 इज 0. ये रहेगा y, e रेज टू माइनस 2x का डेरिवेटिव रहेगा e रेज टू माइनस 2x, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ माइनस 2x इज माइनस 2 प्लस e रेज टू माइनस 2x, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y इज dy by dx, c1 e रेज टू x का डेरिवेटिव आएगा e रेज टू x. इसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करेगा, यू गेट माइनस 2y e रेज टू माइनस 2x प्लस e raised to minus 2x dy by dx that is equal to c1 e raised to x. बराबर है. अभी अगर मैं थ्रू आउट e raised to x से डिवाइड करेगा तो कैन आई से दैट ये e raised to x कट हो जाएगा, बचेगा क्या c1, एंड फिर उसके बाद में डेरिवेटिव मारेगा तो c1 का डेरिवेटिव इज एन आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट. व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट? 0. श्योर. सो आई विल डिवाइड बोथ द साइड्स बाय e raised to x. ये क्या आएगा? माइनस 2y e रेज टू माइनस 2x अपॉन e रेज टू x प्लस e रेज टू माइनस 2x dy by dx अपॉन e रेज टू x, c1 e रेज टू x अपॉन e रेज टू x. कट कर देना. अभी इसको अगर हम लोग डिफरेंशिएट भी करेगा ना तो ये c1 का डेरिवेटिव 0 आएगा, तो ऑटोमेटिकली तुम्हारा दोनों आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट चला जाएगा. दिस इज माइनस 2y, this will be e raised to minus 3x plus e raised to minus 3x dy by dx equal to c1. See, there is a formula. What is, how will you solve a raised to minus 2 upon a raised to 1? इसको ऐसा करेगा, a raised to minus 2 minus 1, इसका आंसर आएगा a raised to minus 3. मैंने वही लॉजिक यूज किया. e raised to minus 2x upon minus x is a raised to m upon a raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m minus n. तो a raised to m minus, अभी इसको चेंज करते हैं, 2x रहेगा और ये x रहेगा, तो ये 2x आएगा, ये x आएगा, automatically it will become minus 3x. That's what I've done here. Okay, so this is just a working note. Maybe if you have not understood how I got e raised to minus 3x, this is the working note for that. चलो इधर और एक एग्जांपल करके देते हैं. Suppose you have e raised to minus 4 upon e raised to 2. So इसका आंसर आएगा e raised to minus 4 minus 2. इसका आंसर आएगा e raised to minus 6. Now we have to find the derivative of this. इसमें एडवांटेज क्या है कि तुम डेरिवेटिव मारेगा, इधर तो you have to use the concept of derivative. But when you come down here ना, derivative of c1 will automatically become 0, तो sort out हो जाएगा. So I will say this is d by dx of minus 2y e raised to minus 3x plus d by dx of e raised to minus 3x dy by dx equal to d by dx of c1. You take minus 2 outside, you get dy by dx y e raised to minus 3x plus इसको कुछ मत करो, dy by dx of e raised to minus 3x dy by dx, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ c1 0, यानी इसका डेरिवेटिव मार देगा तो तुम्हारा आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट चला गया, जो आंसर आएगा दैट इज सपोज्ड टू बी अ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. सो दिस इज टू बी डन बाय u into v. दिस इज y dy by dx of e raised to minus 3x plus e raised to minus 3x d by dx of y plus e raised to minus 3x d by dx of dy by dx plus dy by dx d by dx of e raised to minus 3x, and that is equal to 0. So this will be minus 2 y, derivative of e raised to minus 3x is e raised to minus 3x, derivative of minus 3x is minus 3 plus e raised to minus 3x, derivative of y will give you dy by dx plus e raised to minus 3x, derivative of dy by dx should be d square y upon dx square plus dy by dx, e raised to minus 3x का डेरिवेटिव रहेगा e raised to minus 3x, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ minus 3x is minus 3. अब इसको खोल दो, खोलेगा ना, -2 into -3 करेगा ना, +6 आएगा, y आएगा e raised to minus 3x minus 2 into plus e raised to minus 3x dy by dx will be minus 2 e raised to minus 3x dy by dx plus e raised to minus 3x d square y by dx square minus 3 e raised to minus 3x dy by dx equal to 0. एक काम करना, divide throughout by e raised to minus 3x. So divide both the sides by e raised to minus 3x. तो ये बन जाएगा 6y, ये बनेगा minus 2 dy by dx plus d square y upon dx square minus 3 dy by dx equal to 0. So the final answer will be d square y upon dx square minus 2 dy by dx minus 3 dy by dx is minus 5 dy by dx plus 6y equal to 0. So this is the differential equation wherein the arbitrary constants are eliminated. Exercise 8.2, question number 2. Find the differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constant from the relation. I think it is x square plus y square equal to 2ax. So the best way to do the sum is, you got only one arbitrary constant, so you have to differentiate once. So differentiate with respect to x. So I think we get d by dx of x square plus d by dx of y square equal to d by dx of 2x. x square का 2x आएगा, y square का 2y dy by dx आएगा, 2a out constant है and d by dx of x. So you get 2x plus 2y dy by dx equal to 2a, derivative of x is 1, divide both the sides by 2. So we get this as x plus y dy by dx equal to a. Now the problem here is, you cannot differentiate two times. So अभी तो ये a निकलेगा ही नहीं. So the best way that you can do is, अगर अटक गया और arbitrary constant नहीं जा रहा है, तो another way is, whatever is the value of arbitrary constant, if you put it here in the question, I think a will get eliminated. That should be basically the last resort that you have to do. So what I will do is, I will substitute a equal to x plus dy by dx in 1. What is 1? 1 is x square plus y square equal to 2x. So ये मेरा target है. I will write this as x square plus y square equal to 2. a के जगह में I will write x plus dy by dx and x. Open कर दो. You get x square plus y square equal to 2x plus 2 dy by dx into x. खोल दो इसको. You get x square plus y square equal to 2x square plus 2x dy by dx. So you get 0 equal to, take everything to the right hand side, 2x square minus x square. I will write it as directly x square plus y square going to that side will become minus y square, and this is plus 2x dy by dx. Form differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants. So a is a constant, b is a constant, therefore there are two constants. तो हम लोग को दो टाइम differentiate करना पड़ेगा. तो I will write differentiate with respect to x. So this will be d by dx of bx plus d by dx of ay equal to d by dx of ab. b बाहर, d by dx of x, a बाहर, d by dx of y, and derivative of ab constant, that is equal to 0. b derivative of x is 1, a derivative of y will be dy by dx equal to 0. So ultimately I get b plus a dy by dx equal to 0. I think I'll have to again differentiate with respect to x because there are two arbitrary constants. So I get d by dx of b plus d by dx of a dy by dx equal to 0. So derivative of b will be 0. A बाहर निकाल देना. You get d by dx of dy by dx and that is equal to 0. A तो ऐसे ही रहेगा. Derivative of dy by dx will become d square y upon dx square equal to 0. Is this a proper differential equation? No, because there is an arbitrary constant. तो क्या करना? ये a को 0 के नीचे लेके चला जाना. So if you get down a to the denominator on the right hand side, you get d square y upon dx square equal to 0 upon a. Therefore we get d square y upon dx square equal to 0. I think this doesn't have a, neither it has b. So the arbitrary constants have got eliminated. You have to eliminate arbitrary constant. There is only one arbitrary constant a. So remember you have to differentiate it only once. So d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of y cube equal to d by dx of 35ax. x cube का डेरिवेटिव आएगा 3x स्क्वायर, y क्यूब का डेरिवेटिव आएगा 3y स्क्वायर dy by dx and 35a तो कांस्टेंट है, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x will be 1. So we get this as 3x square plus 3y square dy by dx equal to 35a. Now अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि इसको फिर से डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते. Why can't you differentiate? Because you have got only one arbitrary constant. So if in case you get stuck like that, what you do is find the value of the arbitrary constant and put it in the question. So what I will do is I will ये जो 35a है ना, इसके जगह में I will write this entire thing. I think you're getting what I'm saying. ये 35a के जगह में I'll put this. So I'll say substitute 35a equal to 3x square plus 3y square dy by dx in 1. What is 1? 1 is x cube plus y cube equal to 35 times of ax. So we get x cube plus y cube equal to x तो रहने दो, लेकिन ये जो 35a है ना उसके जगह में मैं डाल देगा 3x square plus 3y square dy by dx. So you get x cube plus y cube, खोल दो उसको, तो ये आएगा 3x cube plus 3xy square dy by dx. So you get that x cube to this side, तो ये y cube रहेगा, 3x cube इधर आएगा तो it will become minus 2x cube equal to 3xy square dy by dx. Do you have an arbitrary constant here? No. So you have to understand one thing, कभी भी arbitrary constant अगर eliminate नहीं हुआ तो one option is you can find the value of the constant and substitute it in the question. So this is the way that I have done. There is one more way, थोड़ा complicated है. ये 35a को इधर रखो और ये x को नीचे लेके आओ. So ये x square होएगा, ये y cube upon x होएगा और 35a बनेगा and then you differentiate. लेकिन y cube upon x is a bit difficult to solve because you will have to use u by v. याद रखना, you can do it like that. See, I'll just show you how. If you divide by x, okay, alternative approach, this becomes x square, this becomes y cube upon x, and this becomes 35a. Now, if you differentiate, I think you get d by dx of x square आएगा, and ये बनेगा d by dx of y cube upon x बनेगा, and this will be d by dx of 35a. इसमें क्या आएगा, डेरिवेटिव मारेगा ना, ये सीधा 0 हो जाएगा. लेकिन इसको ये तो x स्क्वायर का तो 2x है, that you must be knowing. y cube upon x you have to do by u by v. v d by dx of u minus u d by dx of v, the whole upon v square, you get the answer. Sure.